Hey guys, it's your girl Cece back with another video. Thank you so much for rocking with me. I hope you guys see something in today's video that inspires you to click the like and subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss anything we post. It is a rainy Thursday here at Carolina Pines, and while I would rather be outside hanging out with my friends, I'm inside. But we're gonna make the best of it. We're gonna make tacos on this Taco Thursday. Let's get into these tacos.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making.
We're making tacos with ground turkey, so whatever meat you choose to make it with, that's the meat you choose, but we're doing ground turkey today. So let's go.
Wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel.
Okay, so our meat is browning and cooking with our garlic and onions, but I only put half the onion in there, but I chopped it up, so we're gonna use those for something else later. Babe, can you open this? Put the remaining onions in here. Okay, so we're waiting on the meat to brown. So right now I'm about to chop up the fixings. Let me know down in the comments what you guys put on your tacos, cause I feel like I do the same thing every time, but I ain't heard no complaints. So cilantro, lettuce. I took the easy way out because we're camping, and block pico, some limes, tomatoes, cheese, and I'm torn between taco seasonings. Now this is my Old Faithful, but I am a lover of all things Kinder's, so I think I'm gonna go with the Kinder's taco seasoning blend for today. Let me know which one y'all use, or if you use a different taco seasoning, or if you make your own. Drop it down below in the comments and help your girl out with the recipe. So our meat is almost done, so let me hurry up. We're gonna chop a tomato. And some lettuce. And some cilantro. Why I can't never open nothing? Y'all want to see my handsome cameraman? Let me see if he'll hop over here for y'all. You not gonna hop over here for the people?
They know who I am. They know you married. She's taken.
So, babe had foot surgery. I don't know. Have you posted that on your channel?
I don't know if it'll be out by the time this one comes out.
Okay. So, babe had foot surgery. And so, he is being a team player. And he still came out, brought us out here to the Pines.
Haven't missed a step.
And he haven't missed a beat. Wash your produce. I'm gonna cut all this lettuce and they're not gonna eat it. Watch. But they might. If you build it, they will come. If you chop it, maybe they'll eat it. We gonna see.
She leaves her safe space, wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better, make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself, 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself, 'cause I don't know what I want.
So the meat is done. It's on low. It's simmering. I'm gonna finish up these toppings. Got the lettuce. Do minimal cilantro because I think only me and Babe really eat cilantro. I'm only gonna do half a tomato because me and Babe are really the only ones that eat tomatoes. But like I said, if you cut it, maybe they'll eat it. Chances are they probably won't. So I got sour cream. I'm just gonna pop it in a little bowl. TikTok said squeeze the lemon juice or the lime juice in your sour cream and it takes it to the next level. So we gonna find out. We gonna ask and find out. Let's do another half. So this is our toppings plate for tacos.
But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better, make her feel better, and that's where she'll go.
So I'm gonna make Babe's tacos and my tacos, and then you want everything on it?
Yes, please.
You want cheese?
Everything, yeah.
You want lettuce? Oh, you did say everything. Sorry. So let's get Babe's reaction. Want something to drink?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
Let's do a Corona.
Okay.
That's easy. Let's give it a different kick. Almost like it's a smoked taco almost.
Can you taste the difference with the sour cream?
Mm-hmm.
My TikToc hack?
Yep.
Thumbs up or thumbs down for the sour cream?
Thumbs up.
Okay.
I'm about to do that from now on.
Okay. All right. So this will go. Got internet baby decided to make his own tacos. What is it, Grayson? It's a what? It's a happy face?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you guys. Well, that is Taco Thursday in a nutshell here at the Carolina Pines. And that is cooking with me in the RV with your girl, Cece. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like, if you use a different seasoning. All the things. I hope you're well. And until next time.